Hello friends, let's introduce myself. I am Durga. Today I will discuss about the surface roughness representation and direction of flake. Okay, let's get into the lesson. First we see about why surface texture is indicated on the drawing. Usually after machining process, finishing on a metal surface, it mainly depends on what type of material we used and structure of um, the structure of before and after machining and tool life and degrees of sharpness of cutting tool and what coolants we used and the deflection on tools, etc. And surface of some machining parts subjected to stress reversals. It should be finished so as to have no sharp corners. Thus, the important functional requirements depends on the quality of surface finishing. So, the designer should choose a particular type of surface texture, since the quality of surface satisfy performance of parts or machines and indicates the same on drawing by symbols. And next one is symbols for indicating surface texture. The first symbol is the basic symbol. The quality of surface texture on surface produced by any production method other than machining. It indicates like a tick symbol. It has two legs of unequal lengths inclined approximately at 60 degree, and the second symbol has one horizontal line from the basic symbol, and this horizontal line represents the surface texture is obtained by removing of material by any of machining process. The third symbol has one small inscribed circle. It represents the surface texture and it's produced without removal of material. And it is the indication of surface roughness value in surface texture symbols. The value of surface roughness, which is arithmetically mean deviation from mean line of profile, and it is abbreviated as RA and it's expressed in micrometer. In all these symbols, 12.5 micrometer taken as surface roughness value. In the first symbol, it is indicated in the specified place in the surface texture symbol as shown. In the second symbol, the surface roughness value is obtained by any production method other than machining. And third symbol, the value of surface roughness is obtained by removing the material by machining. And the fourth symbol, the value of surface roughness is obtained without the removal of material. And it shows recommended value of surface roughness from different manufacturing process. And in the table, all the values shown in micrometer, we have to convert micrometer into millimeter. So 1 micrometer equal to 0.001 mm. And the surface roughness also indicated by grade numbers instead of numerical values. This grade numbers, the standard grades are numbered as N1, N2 and up to N12. The recommended grades can be taken from this table corresponding to surface roughness value. For the roughness values greater than 25 micrometer, the first symbol, roughness symbols is used. For the roughness values less than 25 micrometer, the equilateral triangle symbol is used. And for the roughness values ranging from 12.5 to 25 micrometer, a single triangle is used. For roughness value ranging from 1.6 micrometer to 6.3 micrometer, two triangles are used in series. And for roughness values ranging from 0.2 micrometer to 0.8 micrometer, three triangles are used in series. For roughness values ranging from 0.025 to 0.1 micrometer, four triangles are used in series. Quality of surface finish is to be indicated by roughness grade number in surface texture symbol. For example, we can take a roughness grade number N10 and the grade number is written in sample as place as that of roughness as shown. and it is the indication of maximum or minimum values of grades of surface roughness value in surface texture symbol. When it is required to indicate maximum and minimum limits for surface roughness, both the values should be indicated as shown. The maximum limit written above the minimum limits as shown in the figure. It is the indication of type or machining process or additional treatment in surface texture symbol. It should be indicated in words like milled, reamed, horned, lapped, etc. We can note it on the horizontal extension of longer leg of the symbol. When the surfaces are obtained any additional treatments or coatings like chrome plating, oxidized, carburized, it should be indicated on the same extension horizontal line. It should be it's shown on the figure B. When it is required to indicated surface texture both before and after treatment. It should be specified by values or grade the surface texture before coating on finished surface, and name of coating, grades, values of surface texture after coating on the symbolic thick chain line, which represents the additional treatment as shown in the figure C. In the figure C, the surface roughness grade N10 is the texture required before coating, and the surface texture of N11 is required after chrome plating. And indicate the sampling length in the surface texture symbol just below the horizontal extension of the longer leg of the surface texture symbol. The sampling length is expressed in millimeter, and second figure shows the direction of how to indicate the direction of lay in surface texture symbol. First we see what is mean of lay. Lay is nothing but it is the direction of predominant surface pattern ordinarily determined by the production method used. The lay is indicated onto the right of the surface texture symbol as shown in the figure 8.9. This chart categorizes the various lay configurations, and it shows the standardized symbols used on drawing. First symbol, the lay approximately parallel to the line representing the surface to which the parallel symbol is used, and when the lay approximately perpendicular to the line representing the surface, then perpendicular symbol is used, and when the lay angular in both direction, and the cross symbol is used when the lay has multi-directional, and M symbol is used when the lay circular relative to the center of the surface, then the C symbol has used when the lay has radial relative to the center of the surface, then R symbols we can use. And it is the indication of machining allowances in surface texture symbol. We can indicate it on the left of the surface texture symbol as shown in the figure 8.10, and it is the second figure indicates the other roughness value in surface texture symbol. They should be indicated in brackets. It is the numerical assessment of surface roughness value. Root means square or RMS. It's defined as square root of arithmetic mean of square of ordinates, whether ordinates are measured from mean value. If we have taken a sampling length as L, which is divided into n equal parts of the ordinate heights, or y1, y2 and y3 up to yn. So RMS can be calculated using this formula. And the second method is center line average or CLA method. It can be defined as the average height of all the ordinate from mean line regardless of sign. So if H1, H2, H3 and up to Hn are the readings which obtained for sampling length L, capital L, So CLA can be calculated as H1 plus H2 up to Hn divided by n, where n is the number of divisions. And another formula can be used for calculations of CLA, which goes like this: CLA is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AN, or divided by L, which is equal to summation of area, it's divided by sampling length, that is capital L. The problem given is, in the measurement of surface roughness, heights of 20 peaks and valleys were measured in microns. The unit of measurement is micron. From datum over a length of 20 mm. It means sampling length is 20 mm. And calculate the CLA and RMS value of surfaces. Heights of peaks and valleys values are given. And number of ordinates are equal to 16. First we have to calculate a CLA, or a center line average method. The formula we studied for CLA, CLA equal to H1 plus H2 and up to Hn divided by n. When we put all this value in the given formula, then we will get answer is CLA equal to 14.6 micron. Second, we will find RMS value. The formula we studied for RMS equal to root of y1 square plus y2 square up to yn square divided by n. When we put all the value in this formula, then we will get answer as RMS value equal to 16.9 micron. And that's all about the surface roughness representation and direction of lay. Thank you, friends.